This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get elderberry in a garden. First, select a sunny spot that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily, though partial shade is also acceptable. Ensure your soil drains well and has a slightly acidic to neutral pH, ideally between 5 and 6. 5. You can amend heavy clay soils with compost to improve drainage. Plant your elderberry cuttings or bare root plants in early spring after the last frost. When planting, dig a hole twice as wide as the root ball and just as deep. Space individual plants about 6 to 10 feet apart to allow for mature growth and good air circulation. After planting, water thoroughly to settle the soil around the roots. For the first growing season, ensure consistent moisture, especially during dry spells. In spring, apply a balanced granular fertilizer to encourage strong development. You can harvest elderberry flowers in late spring when they are fully open and fragrant. The berries typically ripen in late summer, turning dark purple or black. Harvest entire clusters when most berries are ripe. For pruning, wait until late winter when the plants are dormant. Remove any dead, damaged, or crossing branches. Aim to remove about 1/3 of the oldest canes each year to encourage new, productive growth and maintain plant vigor. Elderberries are generally robust, but keep an eye out for common garden pests such as aphids and spider mites, especially on new growth. You can often manage these with a strong spray of water or insecticidal soap. To prevent fungal diseases like powdery mildew, ensure good air circulation around your plants by proper spacing and pruning. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals to help you in your gardening journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.